Kia ora te iwi and welcome to The Chew, coming at you from my kitchen here in Kāmuiwai, Arrowtown. Ko Arrowtown Dad tēnei, and this cool autumn morning we're heading to Tāhuna, Queenstown. We're facilitating a language session for the local community today, so come with me as we head to Tāhuna, Queenstown. So, because I live in Arrowtown, it's about a 20-minute drive to Tāhuna, Queenstown. Today's one-day Te Reo Māori language wānanga is brought to you by Te Reo Tāhuna, the brainchild of local Ngai Tahu superstar Emily Chanside. If you go back and watch Chew episode number 60, you will see the genesis of this great local initiative. And we're proud to say, with multiple sessions over more than a year, Te Reo Tāhuna is still going strong. Today's session is being facilitated at Te Kura Tuatahi o Tāhuna, QPS, Queenstown Primary School. As usual, I'm the last of the facilitators to arrive, so we set up our space and get ready for the arrival of the locals who have enrolled today. The session begins with karakia, then moving on to a common starting activity called whakawhanaungatanga, where each person introduces themselves to the rest of the group. After whakawhanaungatanga, we then have a quick practice of some of our favourite waiata before breaking into groups ready for morning learning lessons. The tuakana or senior group has its first lesson with Emily. Being the tuakana group, the learning content in this class delves deep into Māori grammar and mātauranga Māori concepts. The taina or junior group has its first lesson with yours truly. The learning content in this class is focused on grammar patterns and common everyday phrases and sayings. After a quick lunch break, the afternoon activity is a scavenger hunt where teams of 3 compete against each other. The first team is already heading out.
We are on a little scavenger hunt per se.
Scavenger hunt?
Around Tāhuna. We've got little tasks to do, so making a video with our teammates, talking the reo to the sweet shop, just kind of like little things, and then finding Māori landscapes where we are kind of scattered around in Tāhuna as well.
I'll be following you guys around today, so
Team name?
yeah. Do you have a team name?
No.
Probably should.
Hakitekura.
Hakitekura. So, with their team names sorted and a plan locked in, my team headed out. Another glorious day in Tāhuna, Queenstown, so the team headed out to the first challenge near the aptly named Road to Nowhere. In the background of this amazing scenery, we can see the twin peaks of KāKamu-a-Hakitekura. The team stopped for a quick group video before carrying on the scavenger hunt. In the distance we can see the majestic sight of Kawarau, the Remarkables mountain range. The team eventually end up at the Queenstown Gardens, ready to complete the next activity. The traditional name for the Queenstown Gardens is Te Kararo. From the Queenstown Gardens, if we look towards the right across the lake, we can see the township of Tāhuna, Queenstown. The team are doing a great job getting through their activities for the scavenger hunt. At the very end of the peninsula of Te Kararo, Queenstown Gardens, we get an amazing view of Whakatipu Waimāori, Lake Whakatipu. team have completed all the tasks around Te Kararo Queenstown Gardens and are slowly making their way back to the township of Tāhuna, Queenstown. One of the harder tasks is for the team to find a member of the public who can answer 2 simple questions in Māori. And of course the team found the perfect person. Only a few tasks left to complete, including finding these slabs of pounamu greenstone embedded in the pavement. With competition heating up and time running out, we cross paths with another team who are also close to completion. And with the pressure on, the team headed for home, confident they could cross off their last task along the way. And with a long afternoon of scavenger hunting completed, the team was happy to get back to home base. Each team handed in their scavenger hunt evidence to be checked, then waited with anticipation for the results. The winners were announced and prizes handed out. But really, everyone was the winner on the day. Some final thanks from Emily before finishing off the day with a karakia. So that was us today. We had a great time going around town, played some great games. We spent a lot of time as a local community learning Te Reo Māori, just being comfortable in it. And so if you like that, just pop us a like down below there. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time on The Chew. Mā te wā.